What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your UVnano for your LG PuriCare AeroTower purifying fan. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. Start resetting your UVnano. You want to make sure that the fan is powered on. So let's do that now. And now once it's powered on, you're going to find your rotation or oscillation button right here and your speed down arrow right here. And you're going to press and hold for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. So let's do that now. And there you go. That means that the UVnano has been fully reset. Just a heads up that once you do reset the UVnano, if you go under the app and you scroll all the way down, you're going to see that it is powered off. So if you're trying to turn it back on again, just simply tap on that and then you're good to go. So this was my video on how to reset your UVnano for your LG PuriCare AeroTower purifying fan. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.